Okay, so for section 1.3, number 65, without a calculator, we need to find the angle between 0 and 360 with this information. So I have cosine of beta equals 0. And I know that cosine is equal to x over r. That's going to equal 0. And the only way for x over r to equal 0, only way for a fraction to equal 0, is if the numerator equals 0. So that means x equals 0. So that's my first clue. So if x equals 0, when I go back to the coordinate plane, let me draw a little coordinate plane here. Okay, if x is 0, that means our terminal side must be either going up here or down here. It's one of those. Option 1 or option 2. That's the only two possible options because x doesn't move, so x has to be 0, so that the y-axis is the only place that x equals 0. So our only choice is then thinking about, let me just draw a standard position. So our initial side is here, and we got our angle beta that is either there or it could be there. So that's the question. So if it's the first one, that would be a 90-degree angle, and the second one is a 270-degree angle. Okay, so now to decide which one. Is it going to be the 90-degree or the 270? So I look at the next piece of information. Let me get a new pen for that one. I'm looking at sine of beta equals 1. So sine of beta is y over r. That equals 1. That means y must equal r. It's the only way a fraction can equal 1 if the numerator and denominator are the same number. So if y equals r, let's see. Well, y is positive. I'm sorry. R is always positive. So if r is positive, then y must be positive because they're equal. So that means I must be going in the up direction. That's where y is positive. So the quadrantal angle that this one is describing is that 90-degree angle. So beta equals 90 degrees.